Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Intercom Messenger widget code easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Intercom Messenger widget from your website, start by logging into your Intercom account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Select installation from the menu that appears. Find the section labeled Web within the installation page. Click on Web to access the You should see the JavaScript code snippet used to integrate the Messenger widget. Copy this code snippet for reference, then proceed to your website's backend. Access your website's code or the content management system where the Intercom code is embedded. Look for the section in the code where the Intercom JavaScript snippet is placed. This is usually found in the header or footer of your website's HTML. Once you've located the code, delete the entire JavaScript snippet carefully. Make sure to remove any additional references to Intercom throughout your site. After you've deleted the code, save the changes to your website. Next, clear your browser cache to ensure the old version of your site is not displayed. Verify the removal by refreshing your website and checking if the Intercom Messenger widget is gone. If you continue to see the widget, consider checking for cached versions or third-party scripts that may still be loading it. Once confirmed, you have successfully uninstalled the Intercom Messenger widget from your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.